Today we're going to go through a quick video on how to assemble the Jimny bracket for mounting a quad lock or a ram mount. Grab the nuts and bolts included in the kit. We've got some 5mm tapered bolts and some dome head nuts. Add those to the brackets with a little stud sticking out. Tighten down the nuts and grab yourself a screwdriver, make sure they're nice and tight. That'll secure the quad lock at the top. Then we're going to add the UHF mount bracket. This little bracket is handy for mounting your walkabout UHF, and it can go just below or above the quad lock setup or the ram mount setup. On this video, we're actually going to mount one of our survival knives. Now, this little tool here is really handy for the four-wheel drive. It's got in there the folding blade, which is lockable for safety. It has also got a whistle for attracting attention if needed, fire starter, seatbelt cutter, and a glass breaker. So this is a handy little tool to have in your four-wheel drive.